Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to set up end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. So for that, let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. Once you are there, just tap on the three dots on the top right, then go to settings. And in here, you have to head over to the chats and scroll down and go to chat backup. Now scroll down to the end and here you'll find the option of end-to-end encryption. It says for added security, you can protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. Just head over there and it says if your backup will be safe even if you lose your phone, secure a backup with a password or an encryption key. No one else will be able to access your backup, not even the WhatsApp or Google. So as you can see, my current backup size is 619 MB, including 612 MB media. So what I need to do is just to tap on turn on and then they will just allow me to add a code or password for or an encryption key. And then my chat will be end-to-end encrypted. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.